Okay, so this is my interactive module planning template, and the lesson topic is physical education. And the Indiana standard that I am looking to approach with this lesson is Standard 5. The physically literate individual recognize the value of physical activity for health, enjoyment, challenge, self-expression, and/or social interaction. The target audience are 5th grade students. And then for my IM platform, which is the tool you will use to run the module, our PowerPoint website, and then also listed our YouTube and Kahoot. But those are the two that are essential. So here's my learning objective, which is given a PowerPoint with description/content on physical activities and previous knowledge. Students should be able to create an outline of physical activities that them and their classmates could perform in an hour-long session. Then you scroll down here, and this is the main point number 1 out of everything, which is the students will be assigned with the task of analyzing different physical activities and discover the different benefits of those activities. And then the instructional planning is interactive and creative, and the student will use what they have done in the past and research to describe and perform physical activities that will benefit them and their classmates. Technology integration that I'm using are an interactive PowerPoint and YouTube, and the YouTube will help them look up different exercises, and everything from YouTube will be attached in this PowerPoint. And that goes for the same for subpoint 1 and subpoint 2, which we'll talk about in a little bit. The assessment method and tool is the students will be given an interactive video that shows them different exercises that they can consider using for their outline. And then that's the tool. And then the assessment will also be a Kahoot, which is also mentioned in subpoint 1 and subpoint 2. Subpoint 1 is learning the health benefits of an exercise, and then subpoint 2 is the learning the mental benefits of the exercise. So the same things goes for both, except one's health benefits and one's mental benefits. And the students will be researching different health benefits of each exercise so that they have a good understanding of it. And then they will use the interactive PowerPoint, which will also have different websites that they can use to research different exercises that they might want to use for their outline. And then students will also be given a short Kahoot quiz at the end to test themselves on the health benefits, and then also in subpoint 2 the mental benefits. And then down here it just is a basically assessment of what I am going to use for technology, which down here it says my PowerPoint, my website, YouTube, and Kahoot.